Hi everyone, this is the demo video of our software. This is a Prlalix software. Here you can see this is a dashboard. This is a dashboard. So where you will find every detail of your restaurant. So here on the top side you will see the menu that you can directly jump to your POS tables and recent orders. Here you can change the language, English and Arabic. So both the language you can use for the software. And there is a option for close and open button. Like when you are opening your restaurant, you can just click here and simply open your restaurant. And there is a full screen mode and the dark mode and the night mode we have given. Yeah. And here you can see all the menu we have given here, like menu, tables, waiter request, reservation, POS, orders, customer, staff, delivery executive, expenses, payments, reports, cash register, inventory, kitchen, and settings. So you can, keep the multiple kitchen. Like if you have a coffee shop, you have an ice cream counter, you have a coffee counter. So when the order is placing in your POS, you can just divert your order into two different kitchen. And inventory is also there. Like you can just maintain your whole inventory of your restaurant and the cafe. Like you have to do the recipe management, you can do it with this. So this way you can exactly get to know this, how much ingredient you are using for your restaurant. So this is a wonderful module we have. And the cash register, it's very simple. You just have to go to the cash register every day when you open in the morning. So you have to just put your cash, like if you have a 10 real in your cash, then you can just click on the 10 and open your register. So this register is open. Now this is your opening balance. And end of the day, we can see the total detail of your sales here. Okay, so that I will show you later on. Now we'll jump to the POS section. So this is the POS section. If you have an ice cream shop, you just have to select on the ice cream shop and select the ice cream category. Here there is a multiple ice creams are there, so you can just select the like blueberry lava. Okay, there is a two size you can select, medium and large. If they are selecting medium, and there is a extra toppings like sprinkles, chocolates, extra chocolates. So you can just select the extra chocolate and save. Yeah, so the order is placed here. Now, if you want something else like vanilla ice cream, okay, then you can just add the vanilla ice cream without toppings. Okay, so this way you can add it. And here there is a two option called pickup and the dine in. Yeah, if someone is coming for a pickup, you can just add the pickup here. And then later stage, you can add the customer name also if you want to add it. Yeah, and customer is placing the order. Later on, you just have to select on the KOT and print. So when you select a KOT and print, you will receive your KOT. Yeah, this is your KOT. I will show you the preview. Just a moment. Yeah, this is your KOT. You have placed an order for the takeaway. Okay, now the next customer is coming. Okay, you can again simply click on the ice cream. Okay, you will see all your ice cream category here. Just add here from the big size. Again, there is the extra choco chips they want. Just save. Yeah, so chocolate devotion with big size with extra choc chips. Yeah, so you can just put into the KOT and print. It is go to the kitchen. But if this customer is saying directly they want to pay for it, okay, then just you go to the bill and payment. So this is a cash card. Okay, just select on the bank transfer if they are doing bank transfer. Okay, complete payment and the print. So this is your bill basically. Yeah, you will find all the detail of your restaurant and the cafe shop. Yeah, this is a fully English and Arabic invoice we have given as per the Oman law. And you can just, if you require, you can print it. Otherwise, you can just simply cancel it. Okay, it will directly take you to the main menu. So this way you can do the orders. And if you have a dine-in, you can just select the dine-in and just go to the dine-in. Yeah, and when you select the dine-in, you can select the table also from here. Okay, these are the tables. So you select the table number and then again you add the product. Yeah, like this way. Yeah. So just now I'm doing KOT only because I'm not printing the KOT. So this way you can do it. Yeah. This is the order management. Now you can see it here, recent 10 orders from here. Yeah. And from dashboard, you can directly go to the dashboard from here, and there are the tables. So you can just check here the tables, whatever the tables are going on right now. Yeah. And you can make multiple, the menus from here. Yeah, we have created like ice cream menu, chicken menu, dessert menu. Yeah, and below that you can see the chicken meal, hot drinks, the desserts, juice, snacks, ice creams, milkshake, soft drinks. Like this way you can make the multiple categories. And it's very easy to operate. You can see that how fast it is. See, you can just simply click on it. You will get the products on the right hand side, and you can just do bill and payment, and straight away you can do the cash. Yeah, so this way you can do it. There is a one more option we have. Yeah, like for an example, you are adding the product and customer is two friends are coming to your restaurant, and they are paying by split, like they want to equally split. So there is a equal split option is there, custom split is there, and split by item is also there. So let's do the equal split. Okay, so the guest one is 0.75 and guest two is 0. So they can simply click on this two. One is paying by cash, another is paying by card. You can do also this one. Yeah, so now complete payment and the print. Yeah, see, you can have a multiple prints, like if they want the separate print individually. Yeah, so you can just print summary detail like this way. Here the summary is only if you want you can do that. Okay, single guest receipt also you can do, individual also you can do. Right now printer is not connected, but if you are connected with the printer you can simply click on it and get the print. Yeah, and here I'll show you the other options what we have in the software. So you can see now, here on the dashboard you'll find all the details, like today's 5 order you placed. Yeah, today's earning is 5.10, today's customers, because we have not added any customer name, that's why it's not showing. And average daily earnings is 4.41. Here you can see the today's order. So these are the orders. Okay, you can directly also go to the orders from here, like okay, table number T1 is, this order is there. Okay, now you can check out this order is not yet completed, so you can just select here, then you can complete the order also. If you want, you can delete the order as per the user, like you can make the multiple user, so people have the rights for cancellation, then you can do it from here also. Yeah. So this way you can just check your payment method also. It's bank transfer, cash and card and all this. Top selling dishes are this ones, and top selling table is table number T1. Yeah, and now you can see the tables. Here there is a QR code we have given, so customer can scan the QR code and they can get the other, the menu, QR menu. You want to see that? I will show you that QR menu, how it look like. So this is the QR menu. You can see it. It look like this. So, they can just simply see the full menu of your restaurant. It's really attractive, and they can see, which flavors you have in the ice cream, what you have in the desserts, what you have in the burger and chicken and all. Yeah, this way you can just make it. Yeah, you can call a waiter also. So from here, they click on the call on waiter. Once they select the table number two, yes. So now we'll get a notification from the table number T1 to your directly repeat rows, like say new waiter request. So this is a very good feature that customer want to call waiter. They can just scan the menu, scan the QR code, and get the waiter, like this. So this is a table management. So waiter, when they get a call, they can just see the the different table requests from here, the table request. There is a reservation option is also there. If customer is coming to your restaurant and they want to reserve a table, in advance, so they can also do it like, just select the date, select the guest, like for guests, they're coming in the lunch, dinner, or breakfast, like this, the timing, and just write your customer detail here and just reserve the table. There is a customers, like you can add the customer's name and number. This way you can export the customer details and you can use for the marketing. Staff, so you can do the staff management. You can make your the branch head, the waiter, the chef, all these things you can do it. Here there is a delivery executive, so you can just add the delivery executive if you have the delivery option. So when your driver is going for a delivery, you can see here if he having any order. Right now he's having zero order, but you can select the driver and then you give the order to him. So when he or she is going to deliver the order, okay, you will get to know that how much money you have to take from him and her. So when you go to the COD monitor, if they are taking a cash on delivery from the customer, so you'll get all the details here in the COD monitoring. Yeah, there is an expense module is also there, so you can add the expenses. Like from here, you can just simply add the expenses. If you like, daily expenses, to expense. Okay, here you can select the category. Yeah, like in the utility, salary, miscellaneous. Then here you add the amount. And at the dates, if you have already paid, you can just paying by cash. You can put the cash like this, and you can put the paid or pending status. If you have any bill or receipt, you can also select here the choose file and add the bill directly from here. So this expense module is also very good. So this way you can see your exact sales, and then you can reduce your this expenses, so you'll get to know that how much profit you are doing in the restaurant. Here there is a payment option, like whatever customer you have gone through, okay, and if they come back then you want to do the refund. Okay, so from here you can do the refund. So for refund you have to just select the reason that why customer came and you are giving the refund. And there is a full refund, partial, and if something got wasted in your restaurant and if you want to put into wastage, like this you can do it. So this is also a process refund option we have given for the POS. There is a due payment. If customer, for an example, coming to your store regularly and one time he said I will pay next week, so you can put into the due amount. So whenever he come back or whenever you go to the due payment, you will see here like how much due payment is of that customer. So these are the reports. There is a sales report. You can find all the detail of the sales, like how much by cash, card, UPI, bank transfer. You can see the, if you're paying a tax, you can see the tax breakdown. So all the detailed report of your sales, you will get it here. And there is an option for today, tomorrow, and you can select the date also like this. And you can export to the Excel and you can just use for the accounting. There is an item wise report is there, like how much the flat white you have sold. See, you can see this is very good report. This report is also you can export. There is a category report is there, so you can see the category wise sales, like how much chicken you have sold, cold drinks is 12. So all the category wise report you can see it from here. Yeah, so there are multiple reports are here. Cancellation report is there, expense report is there, what expense you are booking, all this detail you will get it here. Tax report you can directly find it from here. Yeah, so when you will select the tax report, you will just get, like, let's see the current year. Yeah, so this is the revenue and there is no tax because we have not added the tax right now. But if you are adding the tax, then simply you just select here, you get the full tax detail. Yeah, report detail, like you can see it here, by date. And if you are paying the tax, you can just export and you can use for your VAT return. It is very easy option we have given to export the Excel. Yeah, refund report, if you are giving a refund to your customers, then you can find all the details here. Due payment received, yeah, like when your customer coming back to your store and paid it, then you will see the report here. Now let's jump into the cash register. So now for an example, so now we are closing the register. So you can see, you know, we have opened with the 10 real, but now we did the sales of 2 real 35. Cash sales, bank transfer is 2 real and card sales is 750 pesos. So you can just, if you have the cash out, cash in, you can see it here. But there is no cash out or cash in we did today. So now simply we click on the close register, and now here you see the cash match. So your cash box should have the 12.35. So we have a 110 real note. Yeah, one is the 2 real and the 50 pesos. So we have added the cash. So this way you can see the cash is totally matched. Yeah. So you can just submit for your approval. This way you have completed your day. But you want to admin can see the reports. So first when you go to the approval, you will find it here like, this was the last closing. So you can just give the approve. Once you given the approval, okay, you can go to the reports and you can find the reports also. So here when you see the reports like, today's report, you can just simply click on the print report and you can get the full detail of your today's report. Yeah, like how much cash sales, bank transfer, card, cash in, cash out, or any safe drop. You can get everything here in the detail. There is a Z report is also there. So in Z report you can see everything with the denomination, like whatever they have closed. So there is a discrepancy of 2.75. So it means there is something, some kind of error cashier has did. So you can find out your whole cash management. So this way we made the cash box details, in the software. So this is how you can see all the details, and there are many features uh, we have in the software. So later on we can see the inventory because it's a very big module. Okay, we have to do the inventory management step by step. So here, there is a dashboard we have given for the inventory. So when you go here, you will find what is there in the inventory. You can add the units, inventory item, inventory categories you can make, so multiple you can things you can add into it. And mostly the most important part is the report part. So when you add the inventory, you will get to know that what is your profit and loss. So here your total sale is 103.10. Total cost, because we have not added any cost right now in the item, but when you do the recipe management, you will find the total cost of your ingredients, and then you will see the total profit. And if you add the expenses, there is expense also you can reduce from it. So you will get exact net profit of your restaurant, cafe, or ice cream shop, anything you have. Yeah, so this way you can manage your full business with this software. It is kind of, we have given the accounting also, we have given the inventory management also, and the POS. So it is not just a POS system to handle the orders, but we have given each and everything in detail to handle your whole business and get the full detail of your business, that what is exactly happening in your restaurant, cafe, or ice cream shops. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much. And if you have anything, you can let us know. We can give you the live demo if you required anything in that. Yeah, thank you.